Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in bright white with sport hood, adaptive cruise control, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10956A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.